Hey YouTube, I'm Benjamin Apple and you're watching today's Benjamin Minute. Today's Tuesday and it's still slow motion week where every day of the week I'm doing a different thing in slow motion. Today I'm going to try to make myself sneeze by sniffing some pepper. Let's see if it works. Oh my goodness, bless me. Well, it worked. That felt good. That's all the time we have today. I'll see you in tomorrow's Benj Minute, but for now, have a great Benj day.